Mark Shelton with ProHangers Supply. We are the tapo-fix representative for North America, all of US and Canada. And we want to do a demonstration today, show you a little bit about this pasting machine and its accessories. This is the CB75X. This may not be a real familiar machine to a lot of US and Canadian installers. Typically the S-type has been predominantly sold in the US. Little bit of functional differences in this machine. It is not gear driven like the S-type, it is friction driven. You have a roller here and it acts somewhat, borrows from a pull box type design. You can adjust the distance of this roller by adjusting these knobs, and so that determines the thickness of your paste. There's an adjustment on either side. You can go from everything from very, very light to very heavy and everywhere in between. Very, very good system here. So the pasting machine comes with this stand. It's a folding stand, legs fold in, locking casters on all four wheels. Typically, it comes with a circular cutting knife that works on the top of this machine. There's a groove along the top that's your cutting edge that gives you your nice clean right angles. So you run that circular knife along the top edge. But today, we have a slide cutter attachment accessory. So we're going to be trying that out today, show you a little bit about that they make a slide cutter for both the CB75X, which is a machine to work with materials up to 32 inches in width. And they also make a CB1000X, which is up to 41 inches, excuse me, in width. So, and there's slide cutters, stands for both of those. Now, something new, this is actually a prototype we're using today, is this swivel. There's been swivels for quite some time for the S-types that are sold in the US, but swivels for the CB types have not been in existence up until now. We just kind of put our heads together and designed this, so this will be coming out within about a month. I really like working with a swivel. I've had lower back problems in my life, and so bending over a table to pull can put a strain on that lower back area. So this swivel allows you to pull at an 45-degree angle away from your table and then pivot back over your table to book. We're going to demonstrate all that here in just a second. So again, this slide cutter is an easy accessory to attach. It just has two little screws that everything's already made to where you just lock it down, attaches right to the machine. No big deal, and it really makes up for a nice add-on for making quick and clean cuts. So we've got a paper today. This is a 20.5-inch material. It is a drop match, and we are using GH34 in the paste well today. I have tested this machine with 880, 838, 780, GH34, pretty much everything but clay it's going to work with now. Previously, the previous design of these CBs, and why they weren't sold in the US as much, is because they had a flat bottom paste well. Just recently, 2 years ago, they redesigned the paste well. It is now tapered. So that tapering of the paste well feeds paste to the paste roller. And so even though it is just a friction driven machine, it doesn't have gears, it still feeds very well and picks up very well. And so you don't have issues with dry spots or anything of that nature. So it's really a nice machine, a little bit lighter weight than the S-types. The only difference is how you adjust the paste, where the S-type has a single adjustment knob and it works in tandem all the way across the machine. On the scraper bar, this does not have a scraper bar. You have adjustments on either side that adjust the position of that roller. So we're going to go ahead and load this up. You just flip this back, real easy right here. We've already got a mark on our sealing line right here. That's where we're going to cut. So we're going to take this, we're going to feed it over. You have a little catch bar here that keeps that material from going into your paste, so it stays nice, everything stays nice and clean. So I'm going to fold this on down, bring it on around, and then I'm going to just pull it until I get my mark to my cut line. Okay, so my cut line's right there, there's my mark. So there we're good. Kick that counter over, zero it out. Nice clean cut. So as far as actually pulling, we're already zeroed out. We need some panels that are 130 36 inches long. So with this swivel attached, I'm not having to strain and bend over my table. I'm gonna pull this to about 110, somewhere in that nature. Swivel back over my table, nice and easy. Book it out. And now, I'm close enough to my counter where I can see my numbers. Go ahead and do my final pull to 136. Slide cutter works both directions. And there you go. You've measured your material, you've pasted it, you've booked it, you're ready to get on the wall. And half the time it will take, maybe better, doing it by hand. So it's nice, clean, efficient, and a good way to keep yourself where you make money on the wall. Mark Shelton, ProHangers Supply. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. You can see all of these products and all of our material dispensers, basing machines, and accessories at www.prohangersupply.com. Thank you for watching.